Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best grill brushes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Barbecue 18-inch Grill Brush. This 18-inch brush is said to clean 5x faster than the conventional brush due to its 3-in-1 design. It will clean the top, sides, and bottom section at the same time and requires less effort and time. The fairly large head comprises stainless steel bristles that will eliminate the unwanted stuff without damaging or scratching the surface. The 18-inch long handle is very comfortable, easy to maneuver, and provides a nice grip even with wet hands. It's perfect for racks, cooking grates, and burners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jolly Green Products 4-in-1 Best Grill Brush, 18-inch. Forget brushes that leave scratch marks on your grill or require you applying lots of effort. With this brush by Jolly Green Products, you will clean the grill in record time thanks to the effective 4-in-1 design and stainless steel bristles. It features a comfortable and ergonomically designed 18-inch handle that will also clean the hard-to-reach zones. The brush is perfect for most grates including those made from ceramic, brass, porcelain, copper, infrared and non-metal. At number 3, we have the DeroTeno Bristle-free Barbecue Grill Brush. If you worry about falling metal, then this bristle-free brush is what you need. It doesn't have any metal bristles but is as effective as the traditional brush. It comes with a 3-in-1 head for top, sides, and bottom cleaning and is suitable for any kind of grill including ceramic, porcelain, and cast iron, steel and infrared. The high-quality handle has a smooth and user-friendly handle and requires minimal effort. It measures 10 inches long and will protect your hands from scrapes. At number 2, we have the Expert Griller's Barbecue Grill Brush. This brush is perfect for cleaning a range of grills and BBQs from brands such as Char-Broil, Big Green Egg, and Weber. It works on porcelain, stainless steel, cast iron, infrared, ceramic, gas, and smokers. The accessory features a sturdy head comprising stainless steel bristles that will easily and quickly remove greases, stains, dirt, oils, dust and other compounds. The reinforced handle is easy to use and quite comfortable on the hand. Courtesy of the 3-in-1 brush head design, it cleans faster, requires lesser effort, and will clean the top, side, and bottom surfaces. And finally at number 1, we have the Grill Daddy Pro Grill Brush, 22-inch handle. Featuring a 22-inch long handle, the Grill Daddy brush is amongst the longest grill brushes on the market. It provides a decent coverage and requires lesser effort than most types on the market. The bristles are relatively stiff for quick removal of oils, greases, dust, dirt and other compounds but won't harm the grill's surfaces. The unit has an ergonomic handle to prevent bristles, aches and to offer maximum comfort. Similar to other items on this top 10 best grill brushes in 2020 review, it is ideal for any grill including porcelain, ceramic, cast iron, infrared and steel grill grates.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.